Hello and welcome to Whimsy Stamps. It's great to have you here. I'm Lisa and today I'm sharing what's new in the Whimsy Stamps May 5th release. Keep watching for the announcement of the April winner, details of the May giveaway, as well as samples showing some of the new products. For now, let's look at the new Doggie Did It 4x6 clear stamp set. This stamp set includes 4 dog images in different poses. This little cutie digging is absolutely adorable. I'm particularly fond of that image for personal reasons. Now, I love the sentiments in this set. You hit pay dirt, persistent pays with the $ added to the end of that sentiment. I'm not too proud to beg, and 6 other sentiments. Now, Whimsy recently released some adorable pet products last month that will go great with this set and our next set. Doggie Fun Times 4x6 clear stamp set. As seen here, we have 3 doggy images. The dog in the window fits in the recently released Mini Slim Pickens die, the center window of that die. You have tennis balls for creating a scene or a background, plus 9 sentiments of encouragement like grab life by the balls, enjoy the ride, and you've got this, just to name a few. Our next 4x6 clear stamp set in this release is Roar, Stomp, and Chomp, which features adorable dinosaurs in various stages of hatching. Now, each egg and dinosaur has spotted details, and I love the sentiments in that bold font. This stamp set is going to pair perfectly with some of the other wonderful products in this release. We're going to share those shortly, but for now, let's look at another adorable stamp set, Roar-a-saur 4x6 clear stamp set. Now we have 6 of the sweetest dinosaurs in this set and 6 unique sentiments. You'll make history and not forgotten, to name a few of them. How cute for birthdays and words of encouragement. Now, as we move away from these cuties, let's look at the most fierce of them all, Roarsome Rex 4x6 clear stamp set. This set does have coordinating outline dies that are sold separately. The peeker style images are very popular and they go well with window dies offered by Whimsy Stamps. Now, Whimsy has one background stamp in this release, Roarsome Skin Cling Rubber Stamp. This will be perfect for layering all those dinosaur sets that are just releasing. As all of you are so crafty, I know this background stamp is going to be used for many different projects and I look forward to seeing them. Be sure to use hashtag Whimsy Stamps so we can check out your amazing projects on social media. Moving on to the dies in this release, we start with Roar My Baby. How sweet is this die set for welcoming new baby cards or baby shower invitations? You create your own ephemera for scrapbook layouts, ATC cards, and possibilities are endless with that set. Next, we have the Roaring die set, and it includes 3 dinosaurs you can use with the previously released Build an Island die set, or grab your Caveman Zog and Caveman Grog stamp sets to create your own scene straight out of the Jurassic period. You can finish that scene off with this new amazing Roarsome word and shadow die. I love the details in each of the letters, another unique word die by Whimsy Stamps. And that's going to bring us to the last product in this release, the Love Paw Word and Shadow Die. What a great word to pair with the pet-themed products from Whimsy, like their Adopt Don't Shop dogs and cat stamp sets. These 2 stamp sets can be found in the Whimsy Stamps Online Shop. For every Whimsy Stamps Adopt Don't Shop cat and or dog clear stamp set that is sold, Whimsy Stamps will donate $1 to the Gulf Coast Humane Society. Now, how awesome is that? Now, if you would like to learn more about this, I have a direct link in the description box below so you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check it out. That's going to wrap the reveal, but as promised, I have a few samples to share with you while I share giveaway details. Plus, I'm going to announce the winner from last month's reveal comments. Whimsy Stamps has given away a $100 gift certificate to their online shop. Now, to be eligible to win, simply watch each of the current month's release videos here on the Whimsy Stamps channel and leave a comment on those videos. Now, each month, a winner will be picked from the comments and announced in the first release video the following month. Be sure you're subscribed to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss the videos. I have to mention that Whimsy Stamps is solely responsible for the prize and YouTube is not associated with this giveaway in any way. Now for the winner's announcement you all have been patiently waiting for. The winner of the April New Release Comments $100 gift certificate is Mo Creations. Congratulations, Mo Creations. Be sure to check the description box for how to claim your prize. For everyone else, keep watching and let us know what you think of the new release in the comments below. If you found the video valuable, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. YouTube seems to really like those things. You can click the links below to head over to the Whimsy Stamps Online Shop to browse the new release items. Take care. Until next time, please know how much we appreciate you and the time you spend with us.